you're seeing your home planet. It's a real connection with the Earth. It grounds you and it feels timeless.
I think in the same way that I was inspired by the moon landing.
Release. Fire.
I really hope that there will be millions of kids all over the world who will be captivated and inspired about the possibility of them going to space one day.
Have you ever thought about going into space, Richard?
I'd love to go into space. I think there could be nothing nicer. So if you're building a spacecraft, I'd love to come with you on it.
Hey there, Lincoln here from BoAcademy.org. Today we're going to talk about Virgin Galactic SPCE, that is the stock that was taken public by IPOE, Chamath Palihapitiya, back in 2019 when the price to invest in that company was $10 per share. And now today it sits at $49 per share. And tomorrow and going forward, it just might double or even triple given what happened today with Sir Richard Branson making it to space as the first billionaire flying into space on his company's Virgin Galactic's space flight. Huge moment. Virgin Galactic today, Sunday, July 11, 2021, was able to safely take off from their space station and fly into the sky, eject their rocket, their space airplane rocket contraption that is pretty much an airplane, and send that up 50 miles above Earth into our atmosphere, and then flip and look down at Earth and just glide there for a moment, and then come back down to Earth safely, land on their space station, and show that the space travel industry is here and is going to stay and is just getting started. Because now they've shown that it's safe and that anyone who can afford it, who has lots of money, of course, and wants to go to space for that unique experience and see Earth from above, they can do that through Virgin Galactic. And of course, there's Blue Origin, who is planning to send their key person, Jeff Bezos, one of the richest people on this planet, to space 9 days from now on July 20th, 2021. And now we're seeing that this whole industry is about to get very exciting.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth.
Because now civilians are going to see that they can trust these companies to take them up into space safely and bring them back home. And they're going to be willing to pay 1 to 1.5% or even more of their high net worth just to go to space once and maybe twice, right? Each ticket costs about $200,000, $100,000 to $250,000, and potentially more in the future, or less if they can bring down the cost. And these flights for Virgin Galactic are highly profitable. They project about a 60% or so contribution margin. So for every flight, they expect to make 60% profit on each one. Of course, that's before the rest of their expenses for the running the company. But just for running the flight, they expect to have a 60% or so contribution profit. That's huge. That's a big deal. Up until now, I haven't taken the time to look into this company because I thought, hey, this is a very ambitious goal that they have to send regular people up into space with this airplane thing that they have. And I don't think it's close enough for me to invest. I think it's way too far down the road. I think it's a decade, 2 decades out before they'll even be allowed to do that. But now they have their license. They can send people up, and they've shown now that it's actually safe. And now I'm rethinking, hey, maybe this is a good investment for the midterm and the long term. Because by the end of this year, they expect to finish their last 2 testing flights. They have 2 more. This was one of them today. So once they get those done, they expect to start sending commercial customers up into space in early 2022. And before then, which is the good news for you if you're watching this video, and if you're interested in going to space and you don't have enough money to actually pay for a ticket, Virgin Galactic and Richard Branson have come out and said, hey, we're running a sweepstake to send anyone who wants to go up into space for pretty much free. You have to, of course, donate to charity, and the charity helps the whole industry, of course. That's part of the reason for running the sweepstake, but the bigger point is to show people that you can go to space and we'll bring you back home safely. And that will be a pretty much a marketing stunt for the company to show people that it's something that is worth paying for, is worth experiencing.
I'm Richard Branson, and I have a once-in-a-lifetime invitation for you. Would you like to travel to space? Well, I recently flew aboard a Virgin Galactic spaceflight alongside an incredible crew and had the most remarkable experience seeing Earth from above. And I'm thrilled to pass that opportunity on to you now. Virgin Galactic is joining up with Amaze to offer you and a guest the chance to win a trip to space aboard one of the first ever commercial space flights. You'll be flown out to meet me for a private tour of Spaceport America, where we'll prepare you to be among the first to experience a Virgin Galactic space flight. Imagine blasting off to begin an adventure that's truly out of this world, experiencing weightlessness in a comfortable state-of-the-art cabin and gazing back at our planet in a way that few people have ever done before.
For those people who have been invested in Virgin Galactic for years now, congratulations on getting to this point, because you've been invested from the start, at least from 2019 when you could, and have held on and are going to benefit from the appreciation of the value of this asset given what is happening today and what is to follow. So that's great. I'm very happy for you, and I will continue to watch this space.
To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!
So if you've enjoyed this video and want me to talk more about Virgin Galactic, then do me a big favor, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment your thoughts on this video and everything that I've discussed here, Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, and which one you think would be better. And of course, as always, these videos are brought to you by our patrons at patreon.boacademy.org, who support the channel financially and help us produce new videos for all of you. So if you would like to support the channel, then join us over at patreon.boacademy.org, and you will get to engage on Discord channel where we share knowledge and discuss the stock market in real time every day by sharing news, rumors, and new investment ideas, so we can all do our own research and then come back together and collaborate. And you will have a chance at winning $200 every month just to be a loyal and engaged patron. So if you're interested in all of that, I hope to see you over at patreon.boacademy.org. I'm Lincoln with boacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.